step-by-step video recording.
Until now, you recorded with your phone and, maybe, edited separately. Today, you are going to see how the tool can simplify that process for you, from script to ready-to-use video, in a faster and more organized flow. But pay attention, because the tool gives you the aids. The content you put inside is still your responsibility. The tool makes how to record easier. What to record, hook, structure, value, CTA, is still yours. Today we connect your video strategy with the speed of the tool, step by step.
Before recording, arrive with everything ready.
Fast recording starts before pressing the button. Remember what we covered in Module 10. Arrive with your light script prepared. Hook plus 3 points plus CTA, taken from your idea bank and your hook library. Your light and framing set ready, and your energy activated. The tool speeds up recording, but it does not think through the content for you. The more prepared you arrive, the faster and better everything will come out.
The tool records fast. Your strategy is what decides whether the video works. The recording process, step by step.
Whatever the tool may be, the recording flow follows this logic. Adapt it to the specific functions of WaTwo.
If the tool has a prompter, teleprompter.
Many tools of this type include a prompter or teleprompter. The text moves across the screen while you record. It is very useful so you do not go blank, but use it carefully. Do not read like a robot or with a reading gaze. The trick is to put only key ideas, not the text word for word. Read them from the corner of your eye and say them in your own words, keeping your eyes on the lens. The prompter is an aid for naturalness, not an excuse to read without soul.
The prompter is there so you do not get lost, not so you can read. Support your eyes, but speak to the lens. Take advantage of templates and aids without losing your stamp.
If the tool offers templates, formats, or effects, use them to gain time and consistency, but with one limit. Do not let them turn you into one more, who looks identical to everyone using the same template. Keep your stamp, your face, your voice, your story, your way of speaking. Templates speed up the generic, you provide the unique. The balance is using the tool for the repetitive work and saving your energy for what differentiates you.
Real example.
Marta took a long time recording and assembling each video separately. When she started recording inside the tool, with her script loaded and the prompter showing her key ideas, the process became fluid. She recorded, reviewed, and left the video almost ready in a fraction of the time. Important, she kept applying her usual hooks and CTAs. The tool gave her speed. Her strategy gave her results. She produced more, in less time, without losing quality.
Common mistakes.
Trusting that the tool will make the video, it makes the how easier. The what, hook, value, CTA, is yours. Reading the prompter like a robot. Put key ideas, not literal text, and speak to the lens. Forgetting the pillars, light, audio, framing, energy. The tool does not replace them, ending up identical to everyone because you use the same template. Keep your personal stamp.
Practical advice.
Make your first complete video inside the tool as a test. Load a script from your bank. Configure the prompter with key ideas, check light and audio, record with energy, and leave the video ready. The goal of this first time is not perfection, but becoming familiar with the flow. From the second or third video onward, the process will come naturally, and you will notice how much time it saves you. You now know how to record inside the tool, but a good video also needs a good script to support it. And the tool can help you work on scripts strategically. In the next lesson, we will see the strategic use of scripts.